In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Microsoft Word. Whether you're personalizing your documents for work, school, or any other purpose, setting a default font that aligns with your preferences or brand style can significantly streamline your document creation process. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you have Word running, look towards the top of your screen and locate the Home tab. This is typically where you'll find basic formatting tools like font, paragraph styles, and more. Click on that Home tab to proceed. Now, direct your attention to the section labeled Font. In the bottom right corner of this section, there's a small diagonal arrow. This might be easy to overlook, but it's your gateway to advanced font options. Click this tiny arrow, and it will open up the Font dialog box. This dialog box is your central control panel for all things related to fonts in Word. Within this box, you'll see a plethora of options. At the top, there's a list of fonts. Scroll through until you find a font that fits your needs, something that perhaps suits your personal style or professional branding. Once you've chosen a font, look to the right to select an appropriate size. Keep in mind the readability and the aesthetic you're aiming for when picking your font size. Beyond just the type and size, you can also customize the style of the font. Maybe you prefer your text to stand out with a bold look, or perhaps a touch of italics fits your document's tone better. Feel free to experiment until you find a combination that looks right to you. Additionally, you can change the color if you want to stray from the traditional black to something bolder or more subtle. When you're satisfied with your settings, cast your eyes towards the bottom left corner of the dialog box and click on Set as Default. This step is pivotal because it transitions your adjustments from temporary to systemic within Word. Having clicked that, you'll see a pop-up. This pop-up is slightly important because it asks you how broadly you want these changes to apply. You have two choices. The first option is this document only, should you decide to limit your changes to just your current file. However, to implement your choice as the standard for all future documents, select All Documents based on the normal template. Finally, click OK. Congratulations! By doing this, you've now reset the standard font in Microsoft Word. From this point forward, any new document you open will automatically default to these settings, saving you the time and hassle of adjusting the font each time you start a new document. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've customized Microsoft Word to better fit your needs.